Are your nails nasty? You keep saving nail inspo, but you always have the same nails.
Don't worry, I got you!
I'm just joking. I mean, I've been so inspired to do nail art home lately. So here I got 5 of my current favorite nail designs that I've been doing. These are so easy, beginner friendly and affordable to recreate at home. I'm starting off with the base coat, then I'm using this cute yellow color in my thumb, index and little finger. And to create these flowers you need some sort of tool. It could be a toothpick or this kind of dotting tool that I have. So add 5 dots like so and you will get a flower. Then I'm adding some petals all over the finger. You can leave the flowers like this, but I wanted to add a dot inside, so here I'm just adding them to each flower. Some finishing touches, wait them to dry for a few minutes and add the top coat and you're done. Next up we have nails with colored tips. So starting off with the base coat again, and when doing these tips I'm going along the tips of my natural nails. For my middle finger, I'm adding 2 layers of army green nail polish. I really love this color, it makes them stand out. And then I'm finishing the rest of the tips, and when you're done with that, just wait them to dry before adding your top coat. Then we have nails with heart-shaped tips and some dots. So first I'm adding the base coat. Moving on to the tips, you want to create a heart shape that covers up the tips. I'm using a separate brush to paint the first coat of the color, which is totally optional. You can go ahead and use the nail polish brush, and it's okay if they look a bit not cute at first, because we are going to paint another coat on top of them. After doing this and letting the first coat to dry, we are adding the second coat of nail polish to each finger. You can leave them like this because they are cute too, but I wanted to add the dots, so here I'm just adding the dots in the middle of the nail. Wait the nail polish to dry, add the top coat and you're done. Next up we have these abstract nails, starting off with the base coat, and then I'm taking my color of choice to create these random or irregular shapes and twirls like so on the finger and filling some of them. So go ahead and get creative. I've been seeing these type of nails all over social media like Pinterest and Instagram, and they're so trendy at the moment and easy to DIY. But yeah, that's that. And it doesn't matter if you get nail polish all over the finger because we are going to clean that up. After letting your nails dry, add the top coat to each finger, remove the nail polish around the nails and you're done. And lastly, we got these bubblegum nails with hearts. First you need that base coat, and then I'm painting every other nail with baby blue nail polish. Then I'm using pink nail polish on the rest of the nails. And after letting them to dry, we are going to make hearts. So add 2 dots in the middle, one on the left and one on the right. And then we are going to connect the dots together. You want to grab enough nail polish to the dotting tool, so not too little or not too much to able to create a heart. And yeah, I'm doing the same process to each nail, and after creating the hearts, I'm waiting them to dry. Then I'm removing the excess nail polish with the Q-tips. And finally, I'm adding the top coat. And here you have super cute nails. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!